early morning now. Gotta have somewhere to go. Call up Tommy now. Call him on the telephone. Wake up, come with me now. Going to that morning long. Walking down 33. Walking down 30. Oh. What am I supposed to think? Drop a nickel in the sink. Left people like a brother now. I'm gonna be their brother now. Come on, I walk up to me like an apple pie right through me. Ain't gonna sit here grinning. I ain't the one who sings too loud. Heard my story now, got a little ending to it now. When you're going out alone, throw a little dog a bone. Think about your little sister, go ahead and drive it home, screwdriver. Got a little feeling going now. 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 Got a little feeling going now.
You had a little thing you did, and I was like, hold. We both had like a little piece of that.
That's sweet.
It's like, but it was like totally together. Like I felt like.
Yeah, me too.
We'll fucking listen to it.